My son says this is weird. So this is my son. Say hi, Graham.
Hello.
So anyway, I have people here. He's getting a movement lesson. But by this guy, Felipe.
Oh.
There he is. Whoops. They're not telling me to not rotate my phone to record. Anyway, here we go. I could give my son a lesson, and I do give him lessons. Probably not as much as I should be doing, but I need to do more over the holidays. But I have talents, but so does Felipe. You know what I mean? He's getting a movement lesson. We're doing it. So here he is on the table. I don't think he appreciates that Mom's laying down on the table with him. And Felipe's trying to do his job, and there he is. But, oops, I'm rotating my phone again. But movement lesson can be offered so many different ways, and sometimes, you know what I mean, maybe he likes to hang out and talk about boy stuff or guy stuff or whatever. Grandma's can be 21 in less than in a month. No, a little bit more than 5 weeks.
Yeah, just a little more than a month.
So and he just had his first job interview for being a tutor for microeconomics. How do you like them apples? And
it's an on-campus job.
So, but he's getting a lesson, and he's chatting away with Felipe, and he's having a good time, and I'm not involved other than to totally interrupt his lesson by doing this. But it is okay, guys. You can do it. You can give your kid a lesson, or other people can give your child lessons. I've got practitioners around the world. We're all amazing. You know, I know people love to come here for me because I'm the one who's the face of this all, but at the same time, too, you know, you can do amazing stuff right in your house. And, here we are. So, and now he's done with me, so I'm going to sign off.